Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Square Online for product catalog and order routing, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Square Online website. Log into your Square account using your email and password. Once logged in, select the online option from the main menu. Click on Website to access your site settings. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Products. To add a product to your catalog, select the Add Product button. Fill in the product details, including the name, description, and price. Upload high-quality images of the product to enhance visual appeal. Set the inventory level to keep track of stock availability. For each product, select the appropriate category to improve organization. After entering the information, click Save to add the product to your catalog. Next, navigate to the Settings section found in the left-hand menu. Scroll down and select Order Management to configure order routing. Choose your preferred order routing method for online sales. You can set orders to process automatically or review them manually. Adjust your notification settings to receive alerts for new orders. Once you confirm your settings, click Save. Return to the main products page to verify that all items are listed correctly. Take a moment to review your entire catalog for accuracy. To test the order process, simulate a purchase using a test payment method. Ensure that the order routing is functioning as intended. Finally, share your site link with friends or colleagues for feedback. This completes your configuration of Square Online for product catalog and order routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.